In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timetable on Notion. We'll keep this really simple and beginner friendly, so even if you're new to Notion, you'll be able to follow along and have your own timetable set up in just a few minutes. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser, and make sure you're logged into your workspace. Once you're in, look for the marketplace. Depending on your layout, you might see it in the sidebar or in the top navigation area. The marketplace is where Notion keeps all its templates, so this is where we'll find a ready-made timetable instead of building one from scratch. Go ahead and click on Marketplace to open it. When the marketplace loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type the word timetable. This tells Notion that you're specifically looking for templates designed to help you organize your schedule. After typing timetable, press enter or click the search icon and give it a second to load the results. Now you should see a list of timetable related templates created either by Notion or by other users. Take a moment to scroll through and find one that fits your needs. Some templates might be more focused on school schedules, while others are better for work, personal routines, or weekly planning. You can usually click on a template to preview it, so feel free to open a couple and check the layout, colors, and structure. Choose the one that feels most intuitive to you and matches the way you like to see your time organized. Once you've decided on a template, it's time to bring it into your own workspace. On the templates page, look for the button that allows you to add or use the template in your Notion. This might say something like add, use this template, or similar, but in this guide, we'll simply click on add. When you click that, Notion will copy the timetable into your workspace as a new page. After it's added, you can rename the page, adjust the days and times, and customize colors or properties to fit your schedule. At this point, your timetable is ready for you to start filling in with classes, tasks, or appointments, all built from that simple marketplace template you just added.